This video demonstrates the Zone Info tab and the zone labels inside BIMx and BIMx Pro. For better orientation during 3D navigation, zone volumes and labels are displayed in BIMx and BIMx Pro. To deliver valuable per-room information, BIMx provides Zone Info tabs. Even though zones are turned off by default in the 3D view of ARCHICAD, they are always integrated with the published BIMx model. In order to display zones in BIMx, tap the More icon on the navigation bar and choose Settings. Here we can switch on zones to be visible during 3D navigation and active on the floor plan in BIMx. Zone stamps on the floor plans and zone labels in the 3D view are interactive in BIMx and BIMx Pro. By tapping on these items, we can access the Zone Info pop-up, where architects can provide additional information about room finishes, accessories, or any other space-related details. For more information about assembling custom info sets in the ARCHICAD publisher, please watch the other video in this series about element zone info sets. Now, if zones are turned on, a zone label appears once the viewer traverses a zone in the building during 3D navigation. If there are more zones overlapping, these are indicated as a list of labels. These labels serve as a visual aid for the understanding of space relations, which are convenient during the survey of a real building, while checking room details on the tablet at the same time. Tapping the label will display the Info tab for that zone. In the same manner, zone stamps on the floor plan are interactive, displaying the Zone Info tab with a tap, and offering the option to see the zone in 3D with the help of the house icon. In this case, BIMx will zoom to the 3D view of the selected zone with the horizontal cutaway of the building. Cutting planes never cut zone objects, but when moving a horizontal section to a different floor, BIMx will display zones from that current floor. If needed, the displaying of zones can be switched off again from the Settings menu. Please watch the other clips in this series to get in touch with all the new features of BIMx and BIMx Pro.